Whales are fascinating creatures. From their massive size to their unique behaviors, here are some incredible facts about whales. Whales are the largest animal on Earth. The blue whale holds the title of the biggest animal ever to live on Earth, growing up 30 meters long and weighing as much as 200 tons, about the weight of 33 elephants. Bowhead whales can live for over 200 years, making them one of the longest living animals on the planet. The Cuvier's beaked whale is a deep-diving champion, plunging nearly 3,000 meters below the surface and holding its breath for over 2 hours. Incredible singers, male humpbacked whales are famous for their hauntingly beautiful songs. These complex melodies can last up to 20 minutes and travel vast distances underwater. Supersized appetites. Blue whales can eat up to 4 tons of krilled tiny shrimp-like creatures in a single day by using their baleen plates to filter food from seawater. Narwhals have a long, spiral tusk, actually an elongated tooth that can grow up to 3 meters. Scientists believe it helps them sense changes in their environment. Beluga whales, the sea canaries. Belugas are known for their playful personalities and wide range of vocalizations. They can even mimic human speech and swim backward. Humpback whales use an ingenious hunting technique called bubble net feeding, where they blow bubbles to trap schools of fish in one spot before lunging to eat them. Killer whales, orcas, live in tight-knit family groups called pods, often led by a matriarch. They're highly intelligent and even have unique dialects for communication. Sometimes they get offshore. Beachgoers should always be on the lookout for killer whales. Playful behavior. Many whale species, like gray whales and humpbacks, are known to breach, jump out of the water, slap their tails, or play with objects like seaweed, possibly for fun or communication. Whales breathe air through blowholes on top of their heads. When they exhale, it creates a misty spout that can shoot up to 30 feet into the air. Despite their massive size, whales are graceful swimmers. Blue whales can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour when they feel threatened. Some species, like sperm whales, sleep vertically in the water in short naps lasting between 10 and 15 minutes. Whales are not only awe-inspiring due to their size, but also because of their intelligence, social complexity, and unique adaptations. These ocean giants remind us just how extraordinary marine life can be. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.